Hi viewers, in this video you will learn regarding the number formatting. Number formatting included here so many options: general, number, currency, accounting, date, percentage and fraction. I will discuss one by one. So for these options I have to go first. Make sure you have to press home button and go to number option. Just click here. In dialog box, these options I will explain one by one. First is general. Here you will type any text, for example so no any effect because this one is general. Any text and any digit you will put, so same enter in the cell, not change, and the same text when I will put here. So I will choose option number. So this one become like that because when you enter the number, the correct format for the number at least 2 decimal point. So this one come automatic with the use of number option. When you select any cell and you have to put the option is number on this cell, so when you enter the number, so automatically 2 decimal will come. So regarding the currency, same amount I will enter here, 8,000. When I choose option for this cell is currency from here, so this one shows 3 different things. The first, currency sign, and you can change the currency sign from here also, dollar, euro, which one is given. And second thing, currency, in the currency option, the 1000 separator and 2 decimal. So this one is the form of currency. If you choose option currency for any cell, when you put the number, so the automatically the format will become like that. The next option is accounting. When I put same digit here and choose accounting option, so this one also almost same like a currency. And here you can change the currency also which you want, like that. And you can increase and decrease the decimal point from here, like that. Take other example, means this one general option. So if you want to increase the decimal, so just click here, like that. And this one for reduce, how many decimal you need, so you can choose from here. Use this both option. The next is date. One is short date and one is long date. For example, here I put one date. I will choose option short date looking like that. And when I choose long date, so this one looking like that, means 1st February 2019, like that. You can choose both option, means short date and also long, which you want, you can choose from here. And percentage, sometimes I have data in fraction, means with decimal point like 0.05. So I have to take the percentage for this one, how many percent. So just go to this option and click percentage, like that, 5%. So means 0.05 means 5%, like that. And for fraction, and when you put any digit means 8000 same. So the fraction of 8000 is like that, means nothing. If in the decimal point you have some data in decimal point means 8000.50, like that. So 0.50 means 1/2 is showing like that.